All right, so now we are ready to actually start writing our research paper. So we're going to go to Google Drive, and we're going to go to the red Create button and create a new document. Now the two things that we always do before we start working on our assignment is first we change or rename our document. So we're going to click on the title, and this one you're going to label just research paper. That's it. Now, right now this is just in your Google Drive, so you need to move it. So you're going to go to File, Move to Folder, and you're going to go down to your Shared Language Arts folder. You know it's your Shared Language Arts folder when it has the little person on the folder. That means it's shared. Click Move. So now you're ready to go. But every assignment, you always have to have a heading. So all I'm going to do is just type my name, followed by the hour, followed by the assignment, and my last line is the teacher's name. I'm going to hit Enter twice. Now, did you notice that I didn't change the font? Nothing crazy, nothing funny. I didn't change the size. I did not change the color. I left it alone. So before I go any further, before I write my introduction, I need to add my title. I don't know what I want to have as my title yet, so I'm just going to use my topic, gangs. And when I think of a better one later, I can change it whenever I want. Now I go back to left align and hit tab. Now this time is when I can start putting in that double space because our actual paper is going to be double spaced. And now I can actually start writing my hook, what's grabbing my reader's attention. Okay, now remember, spelling does count, so you need to make sure that if there is a dotted red line underneath, you can always right click it, and that'll bring you up to over here. And Google will say, oh, did you mean? And yes, I wanted to spell percentage correctly. And Milwaukee, I had a typo. And I keep going with my thesis statement. Oh, I spelled racial wrong, so I'm going to right click on it and go up to racial. Now don't forget, the last couple of sentences of your paragraph are going to be about your subtopics. And you're just giving just a preview, maybe explaining what they are. So I might just say, give the definitions of what a street gang is, what the definition of a commercial gang, or what is a racial gang. Okay? So street or social gangs are groups that form in urban areas. Likewise, commercial gangs form in urban areas, but their purpose is to make money. Lastly, racial or ethnic gangs form as a way to show identity or gain protection from hate crimes. So now I just have my introduction paragraph all done. I have my three pieces from the first page of your informational inquiry planner. You need to have your hook, which is right here. How are you grabbing your reader's attention? Okay. Then you have your thesis statement. What is the purpose of your paper? And last but not least, you have a preview of your subtopics. What are you going to be talking about? Are you just giving a definition of what they are? Okay. Now you do not have to highlight like I do. That is okay. And now I am done. I have my hook, I have my thesis statement, and I have a preview of my subtopics. When you are done, you may go on Cool Math Games or Fun Brain, but you cannot distract others.